everyone.
Hi everyone. In the previous video, we handled all the permission cases and we are safely getting the user's location. Now it's time to represent this location in a nice UI. So we will jump to the presentation later. Let's go to my screen and we need to show the user's location in a map. So first let's start with the map. We have a couple of choices. And the first choice that you can think of is Google Maps Flutter. It's the most popular package, mostly because it's from Google and it's free to use for most of the cases. However, we are going to use Flutter Map. That's the second most popular choice. However, this is our go-to choice because we can use Flutter Map with many different map providers, including OpenStreetMap, Mapbox, and others. This is very useful. And other than that, let's go to their documentation. Other than that, one very important thing is you are able to use custom widgets as markers by Flutter Map. This you cannot do with Google Maps. In Google Maps, you are forced to use some bitmap markers, and they are not dynamic. You cannot make any animations using those markers. With Flutter Maps markers, you are not limited to anything. You can use any kind of widget you can think of. You can build in Flutter. That's why we choose that. Also, a couple of other advantages of Flutter Map is that they have several plugins written by the community. One of them is the clustering plugin. The second one is the tile caching plugin. The clustering plugin is useful when you want to show thousands of markers in your map and you don't want them to be cluttered. And tile caching plugin is very useful when you don't want your users to spend data and bandwidth every time they open their app. You don't want them to download the same map tiles over and over again. They give you a chance to cache these. We will not cover these two plugins in the series. Maybe later, if you guys are interested, we can jump to them. In this tutorial, we will work on custom markers, animated markers, and Flutter Map, and also showing showing different schemes in the map. So let's jump in. It's very simple to render a map using Flutter Map, as you can see from the demonstration code. So let's go to our code and let's first add our dependency and call Flutter pub get. Erkan, what do you think of Flutter Map? We worked with Flutter Map in two previous projects. Do you like it also?
Yeah, I mean, having the ability to put custom widgets on the map is a great benefit. I love it.
I agree. We had some problems with the iOS simulator, so we just opened the Android emulator. Sorry for the cutout. We will continue from where we are left off. Let's gain some real estate. Okay. Before we start implementing Flutter Map into the code, let's give our permission and while using that and also the location services. Is location. Okay. Okay, perfect. And now we get our latitude and longitude. Okay, so we can get rid of all this UI here by erasing this whole column. Okay.
I think, would you close your debug console? The
yeah, of
terminal.
course. Okay, it will be a local map, and we need to insert that. It will ask us for options, and it's going to be map option. We need to give centers, and it's going to be a not long object. First, we need to import it. For now, I'm just going to give a quick not long, and later on, we will connect it to the user's real location, which is this. But for now, let's see the map on our screen. I will just write this out. Okay. Also, we will give it a zoom value, default zoom value, which the user can change by pinch and zooming. And initial value of 3 is good. We can see most of the map. And still, we cannot see anything, even if we apply the Flutter map. The reason for this is we haven't given Flutter map a map provider. So next, we will do that. To give a map provider, we are going to use the layers option. And we can give multiple layers, but for now, we are just going to give one provider and for the tile layers option. And I'm just going to copy paste this from the documentation. Okay, now we should see a map. The tiles should be loading. Exactly. So this location, the center location, 51 was London. As we can see right now, the OpenStreetMap is being shown. It's that easy. And I will show you how to change the map provider from OpenStreetMap to something else. I just have another URL template, which I found online. And if we change our URL template, we will see the same map, but with a different theme, different coloring, different city names, or different road colors. And once I save it, you will see the changes. As you can see, it's a totally different map. You can find hundreds of different map providers and map themes. This is one of the strong sides of Flutter Map. In our next video, we will work on showing the user marker, showing the exact location of the user on the map. Next, we will overlay a request location button that we used to have before this in the beginning of the video as a floating action button on the bottom right side of the screen. And if all the permissions are given, instead of hiding that button, we will change that button to a center button so that if the user pans the yeah, if the user changes the position of the map, and if they are lost, they can just press the center button and they will be taken to their own location. Then we will animate the user's marker. Also, lastly, we will animate the flying. So let's say you are in London, your user is in London, but you pan the map, and right now you are in Istanbul, and you want to go to London, your own position back, but you don't want it to happen immediately. You want to have a nice flying animation, and we will do that also. So please follow us, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like this video. Here.
And also don't forget to comment on the videos. After this series, we are going to start a new series, so share your opinions about it. What do you want to see in the upcoming videos? So share your thoughts. See you soon.
Okay.